Hello and welcome to this journey of relaxation. This audio requires your imagination, so make sure you're in a good place, a comfortable place, where you are able to fully let go and enjoy the deep and lasting benefits of relaxation. Welcome to the change journey. I am Naomi Marriott and I will be your guide. This time now is for you. So settle your mind. Your imagination is a very powerful tool and is unique to you. Your imagination can feel real to you, so close your eyes and let's begin. I want you to imagine that you're close to a river, so close that you can hear the sound of the flowing water, and you can feel the cool air as it mixes with the sound of water as it rushes by. So this moment in time is so powerful, because it just doesn't stop. It goes on and on and on. That's right. So relaxing, isn't it? Just keep listening to the flowing water, how that sounds, how that feels as it flows through you, how the sound makes your breathing nice and steady, helping the in-breath and slowing the out-breath. How the continuing sound allows your body to relax. Just keep listening and breathing so steadily. Each moment allows you to relax so much more and more. Right now, I want you to follow that river down, listening to all the different sounds as the water continues its journey. As you follow the river, you notice how the sound of the water, the rushing, gets more and more intense. Just listen. It sounds as if you've reached the end, to a waterfall, where the river continues down, rock by rock, each step by step, and you feel yourself going down deeper into a deep state of relaxation at the same time. Feel the sensation of stepping down to the river, down over rocks, going down in your mind, imagining this journey, letting yourself go down deeper and deeper into a lovely state of relaxation. Now, below you see 10 steps to go down, and as we count downwards, each and every one you pass will guide you down deeper and deeper into this state of relaxation. Ready? The first stone on this natural staircase, stepping down deeper to 9, and next going down to 8, stepping slowly and steadily, just as your body now feels slow and steady. 7, stone by stone, you tread deeper down. 6, passing so easily. 5, already halfway there, to a nice deep place of relaxation towards the bottom of the waterfall. Keep stepping down. 4, where you'll reach your goal. You're doing so well. 3, only a few steps to deeper relaxation. 2, almost all the way down. Now feeling so good, so steady, and so relaxed. Easy as you take the last step. Now to 1. And you're at the bottom of this waterfall and already so much more relaxed. You see in front of you the water raining down, drop by drop, thousands of droplets, reflecting the beauty of the natural world. Now, imagine yourself walking right into the middle of the waterfall. The feeling as you enter it, as you stand inside the middle of the waterfall, the tingling feeling as the water runs down your body, from the top of your head all the way down to your toes, peacefully, completely covering you with cool water. You feel the relaxation of the water pass through you as you keep standing there in the waterfall. Everywhere the water flows, your body eases. You feel relaxation covering and running down across each and every part of your whole body. The water is so calming. You notice how it calms you as it runs down, 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 and down, as you forget all your cares and worries. Just focus on the sound of my voice and the sound and the feeling of the water, allowing both my voice and the water to relax you more and more. That's right. Notice how your body feels calm and relaxed. Such a good feeling. Now feel that water, how it relaxes your mind. The steady sound of the waterfall and the sound of my voice combined are so relaxing that even your mind finds it easier to let go. Just let go. And take a nice break with your eyes closed as that nice cool water washes all over you. Now, and hear my voice talking and guiding you. That's right. Your mind is simply going quiet for a moment. The internal chatter lost, a welcome mental break from all the stress we have in our everyday life. Your body and mind is calmed by this wonderful feeling of relaxation as you just let go completely. This journey will always be here for you. The feeling is so good, so relaxing, allowing yourself to stand still as you are right now, listening to nature, enabling a new level of relaxation. The next time you want to relax from your everyday life and the weather is good, you can simply go out and relax in a nice park, be around nature, or return to this journey, experiencing increased relaxation, where you will become emotionally calm, mentally focused and present. This waterfall journey is yours to return to, where you are always welcome. You know how relaxing nature can be. But now it's time to step out of the waterfall and open your eyes and notice the difference in your body and your mind as you recognize the true power of nature, of your extraordinary mind, and of what your powerful mind can do for you. Now, 1, feel yourself slowly waking. 2, more and more. And 3, wide awake. Open your eyes, feeling refreshed and rejuvenated.